All right. Are you back to working order? Did something snap or something?
Yeah, the belt broke midway through the...
No!
Yeah, so now I got some thicker bolts all the way through.
Etc.
Yeah.
It's a Home Depot run to make it all work.
Yeah, exactly.
That's as high as it goes, or
It could go another click higher. Yeah. Very, very light carbon fiber pole. The unit itself is really light. And it shoots 360 degrees, so I just leave it there. New toy.
Yeah, I gotta get one.
Yeah.
Hi, Bolin.
How are you?
Nice to meet
Nice to
you.
meet you as well.
I wanted to say hi in person.
Absolutely. Well, congratulations.
Thank you. Thanks for the awesome photos at the parade. It was so cool. Really spectacular.
I know I got a lot more of kids' backs than I normally do because I barely could keep up with how fast we were. I tried.
Well, there were some epic shots of like all the feathers and the skyline and the star balloon. I loved it. It was awesome.
So, yeah, I got some, like I have a, like, I probably shot 1,800 pictures and then I did 60. So I figured out how to get Instagram and Facebook and all the 360s. I did it about halfway through the parade. So as you're walking, you can see. Right now we're being recorded. So I don't miss anything. So on Facebook and Instagram, you can see it right now. And you can see all the way up. So I had to get it before me.
Oh, was your ball run?
It's a 360 degree camera.
That's awesome.
So I got probably about halfway before my
Oh no.
bolts fell out of it. That's it. But yeah, so that'll be the new toy.
I love it. So cool. And you guys, I don't know if you heard about it.
I heard it right after us, right?
Yeah.
So we ran into that when we went to lunch. As we were going in, as we were coming out of the marketplace, they had shut down right by Times Square where we were. So right from the stand, I just kept going forward, and so they did the same thing. But luckily, it didn't
Yes. We saw like one of the biggest record shoes.
So they lead right down the street, right?
Yeah. And
The band
one
had
guy
to condense
couldn't
into like
tell.
one lane of traffic, the bands that came in.
Oh, really?
Because I think they waited like 15 minutes and then she was like, look, you gotta go. So,
Yeah, glad you guys avoided it.
Although it would have been kind of good for us because then we could stop and take our by the time at the end, I'm reaching for my chest going, Jesus, am I okay? Am I here? I'm counting down the blocks.
Well, it's such a great day.
We couldn't ask for better weather.
A little bit warmer would have been nice.
A little bit, but it could have been snow. So I'll take it. Well, enjoy yourselves. It's very nice day. Congratulations.
Thank you. So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Congratulations. How you say? Absolutely. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
How are you? Congratulations.
Thank you
It's
so
my
much.
absolute pleasure.
Thank you.
Great job. Thank you. Okay, John Hill's birthday. Great reception for you. Very good.
I'm gonna say 27th grade.
Go. Sending our parachute up.
Somebody give a heads up to the battery, please. Don't know what's happening.
Hello, how are you? It was good.
Oh my God.
I'm tired, I'm beat.
Yeah.
But the kids did great.
Yeah.
They did absolutely. It was fast paced for